So this is one of the coolest gadgets which you can buy for your bike right now, and this is the AOOCCI C3 Pro wireless Android Auto and a wireless Apple CarPlay display for your bike. So before I talk about the features, you need to know that this comes at a price of about 11 to 12,000 rupees, but using my exclusive discount coupon you can grab nearly 22% discount, bringing the effective price down to close to 8,500 rupees only for this wireless display. That being said, the C3 Pro not only brings you wireless Android Auto and CarPlay, it also gives you a inbuilt TPMS which you can use actively to monitor the tire pressure both from the front and the rear of your bike. This gets a 5-inch IPS panel with an 854x480p display and also gets a 760 nits of brightness, enough to give you a proper view even in the brightest sunlight. This device is also IP67 rated, which means it is also resistant to dust and waterproof to some extent. But before I talk about some other features of this gadget, you need to know what you get inside the box. First up, you get a very nice packaging by AOOCCI with a proper picture of the device itself. Then as soon as you do open up the box, you get the main 5-inch C3 Pro display. You also get a 12-volt ACC power cable which you can connect to the battery of your bike. But just in case if you don't want to connect to the battery of your bike and your bike already provides you a USB port, most latest bikes do, AOOCCI also provides a USB conversion cable, which means you can easily plug this into the USB port of your bike and run it straight away. You also get TPMS sensors for both front and the rear with a foolproof security lock mechanism. You get a universal mount for mounting the C3 Pro 5-inch display on your bike. And lastly, you also get all the installation tools and fittings which are needed for this particular installation. So do note that the TPS system provided is a valve mounted sensors, basically external sensors which you can easily mount and unmount whenever you require. And as soon as you do connect it on the display, it immediately shows you the real-time tire pressure straight up on the display, along with the fact that it's also enabled to give you warnings for high pressure and low pressure as well. So need not worry about having incorrect tire pressure at your bike at any time. The C3 Pro will work for you and give you proper updates regarding the tire pressure. So the universal mount of the C3 Pro adapts to 16 to 28 mm of handlebar mounts. So do just make sure to correctly measure the handlebar and you can proceed to get the C3 Pro for yourself. But the main talking point of the C3 Pro is its super fast Android Auto connection, even Apple CarPlay and all the details it brings onto the screen. The performance of the Android Auto and Google Maps is as flawless as it can be. And this is one of the finest Android Auto displays which I've seen for any bike. Although I have previously also reviewed the C6 Pro by AOOCCI, which also provides you an inbuilt dash camera. I mean, if you're somebody who's looking for a more like a dash cam and a wireless Android Auto combo, you can check out the C6 Pro. I'll give you a link in the description. But that being said, this is a simple and a straightforward gadget. Gives you the power of wireless Android Auto and Apple CarPlay along with the TPMS with a crystal clear 5-inch display. No extra unnecessary stuff added into this. So if you're somebody who's looking specifically for these features in your bike and you want to keep the budget less than 10,000, or should I say close to 8,000 rupees only, you need to grab the AOOCCI C3 Pro right now using my affiliate link that's been given in the description. And also do make sure to apply my exclusive discount coupon code, that's Gizmobeep, to grab some extra 22% discount on the MRP price, bringing down the effective price to close to 8,000 rupees. So that's a great steal deal. If you do have any doubts or queries regarding this gadget, make sure to write that down in the comments below. But also do remember there is another slightly different variation, a slightly different model by AOOCCI called as the C3 Plus. And this model basically provides you slightly higher brightness, that's 800 nits, and also has a different handlebar fit that is 10 to 25 mm. Other than that, the C3 Pro and C3 Plus are exactly the same. You can find the links to both of them along with the one which I mentioned previously, the C6 Pro. All the purchase links will be provided in the description of this video. So if you like this video and if this video has helped you out in one way or the other, make sure to go ahead and subscribe to Gizmobeep right now. Smash that like button and also follow me on my Instagram page for some interesting tech videos. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one.